Hello, I am Dr. Darnita L. Payton, and my purpose is to educate, encourage, and enlighten. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel today. I am so grateful that you are here. Hopefully you were able to see the first video in this series, Easy and Quick Decluttering, 5 things in 5 minutes for 5 days, where you learn that each video we will go through 5 categories, and out of each category we will choose one item to declutter for just 5 minutes a day. And as I said in the previous video, that 5 minutes is just your starting point. I'm sure as soon as you build in success that you will want to keep going. Normally when I'm working with a client, we start off with a 10-minute tidy, but we're going to do something a little different here. But I promise you, once you get to going and you start to see your space and you can recognize your desk again, you will want to do more. So today's categories are paper, clothes, a household item, electronics, and a miscellaneous item. Okay, the last video we talked about decluttering your mail and the need for a good quality shredder. So we're just going to continue that. And I'll insert a picture of my actual filing cabinet. And if yours doesn't look quite up to par, it's okay. You are a work in progress and you're getting there. I'm not holding my filing cabinet up as what yours should look like or anything. I'm just showing you that, you know, the actual filing system that I use. Your goal is just to get a system that works for you. So if you have a filing cabinet and it's a bit overflowing with paper, then that's what you will declutter today. Again, don't want you to feel overwhelmed because we're talking about decluttering clothes. I don't want you to go to your closet and pull everything out and go through and touch and see how you feel with each item. No, that's a bit overwhelming. We're just going to go through clothes for each item. So the last video we talked about decluttering your tops. Today we're going to focus on bottoms. Now, I don't know about you, so these are a pair of jeans. And since, you know, we've been staying at home more, I can't remember the last time I wore a pair of jeans because jeans are not always forgiving. Jeans may not always, well, jeans always tell you the truth. And so I've been more in a relaxed mode. So today, go through your jeans or your bottoms. And for ladies, you know, that could be your skirts, men, your slacks or your joggers or whatever it is. Go through and see if A, you still like them, B, you still wear them, or if they still fit. And a specific thing on clothes, because what we tend to do to ourselves, which is so unfair, is we keep a category of clothes. We have our dream clothes, you know, those are the ones that we dream only that we could get back into, or we keep what I call our nightmare clothes. Those are the clothes that if we don't do the things that we need to do, that's the size we'll end up wearing. So I want you to live in the present in your clothes. So go through and see if you have dream clothes or nightmare clothes, and keep those things that you are really going to wear, the things that fit. You know, make sure they don't have any holes or stains, that they're not, you know, out of style, whatever your style is, because I've never been a trendsetter. I wear what I wear because I like to wear it. But, you know, just go through your bottoms and see if there are anything in there, any items in there that you can let go. Are you guilty? I think this is just so cute. Cups, mugs, dishes, overflowing. You have, you know, 12 mugs, and you go through your utensil drawer and, you know, there are 50 forks, but you're a household of 1. So today I want you to go through your household items, specifically your cups, your dishes, and things of that nature. And just purge the things that you don't need or don't use, things that are broken, or you just don't need. Now, I'm going to show you a series of phones. Do you all remember these? Trip down memory lane. This is my favorite. Hello? Yes? Remember when you could close it like a boss? Like, I'm done with you. Yeah, that's so satisfying. And I hear that flip phones are making a comeback. And then I have this too. I love this. Do you all even know what this is? And look, it still has a tape in it. And it's the Berenstain Bears. So, and I use all of these things in presentations, so that's why I have them, to show that we hold on to things that are past their prime or that don't function anymore, and they're sort of holding us back. Now, of course, if you have things and your phone still works, okay for you. I'm not telling you to get rid of something that's still functioning for you, but if this is your phone, oh, I thought I was you could flip it down, and oh, by the way, mine still works. And then you could text someone, you could call them, then flip it open and do a text. Yeah. So anyway, today you're going to go through your electronics and you're going to get rid of the things that don't serve a purpose anymore, or because of technology that they don't work anymore. And let me give you a little note here. Just because something is old does not make it vintage. I get that all the time. Well, Dr. Payton, it's vintage. No, it's just old. So today, go through your electronics, and that may be, your televisions or your radios or stereos, if you still have those things. And again, I'm not anti-vintage. I'm not even anti-old if it's still functioning and it serves a purpose for you. But if you, like I said, still have your slider phone and this one here, and you still have your flip phone, which again, they all still work. Yeah. Hello. Books. I enjoy a good book, and there's something just very satisfying about just opening a book. I'm all about the ebook and everything, but I really like the feel of a real book. But what do you do with them after you've read them? Do you store them? Do you put them on a lovely bookshelf, bookcase like this? Do you have them stacked in a corner somewhere? So for today's decluttering, you're going to go through your books. You can donate them if your library is accepting donations, or you can see if a women's or children's shelter could use them. But just go through your books and declutter those today. So today we covered paper. You're going to go through your files and see if there are things that you can let go of there. Remember to use that shredder that I talked about in the first video. And if it's just regular paper that you can recycle, please do that as well. And then we talked about clothes, decluttering your bottoms, whether they don't fit anymore, they're just uncomfortable, or they may have holes or something of that nature. And then we went through a household item. Today we were talking about cups and dishes, utensils, things of that nature. And then electronics, the Boss flip phone, or a television that doesn't work, or a radio that's broken, or something of that nature. And also we talked about books. If you have books that you've read and you're no longer using, that you could maybe donate those or pass those along to someone else to read. So thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel today. I am so grateful that you did. Before you leave, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. And do me one favor, tell at least 5 people you know about my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. If you would like more information or consultation, please feel free to visit me at drdeclutter.com. That's doctor, the letter D, the word clutter.com. It'll be in the description box. If no one has told you today how awesome you are, I want you to know that you are absolutely, positively awesome. Take care. God bless. Bye.